I'm now starting to buy a couple of things. Well, I bought one thing from TEMU, TEMU. You've probably heard about it. It's a new option, similar to, I guess, eBay and Amazon and other groups that are selling stuff. Anyway, I sort of try it because they seem to have some pretty good deals that seem almost unbelievable, as you can see from the screen here. So let's have a look and see what I've bought. On the 24th of June, I put in an order for some shoes on TEMU, and they didn't take too long to get here. They arrived, basically only took a week in the post. The cost was only $29.48 for the package, and that no cost for postage, which is pretty cheap. So let's check it out. So there's no real padding in there. They're literally just in the post pack, but they're shoes, so they're fine. There's no damage. They look pretty good. So I read the reviews before ordering these. They are what they say they are. They're a suede shoe. A bit worried about the sole, being that there doesn't seem to be any grip there at all. I gather they'll be fine in summer, but in wet weather, it'll be interesting to see how they go. But we'll see how they go. But I like the look of them. Let's try them on. So I ordered 10.5 shoes, and that's exactly what I've got. They're a good fit. They feel good. So yeah, look, shoes, good pair of shoes. You can adjust them here. Under 30 bucks delivered. I'd say and they only took a week to arrive. So that's a thumbs up from me from TEMU or TEMU. The only downside, I guess, from this website is they will bombard you with discounts and so on. But other than that, I'm pretty impressed.